Negril Jamaica. It's so good, so good. Loving Jamaica. When the sun shines so hot, that's a fact. Book your ticket to Jamaica. Negril Jamaica. Hashtag peace out.
Bless up, bless up, bless up. I feel like I'm going to walk the beach road. If KG was here, what would KG do? I've always wanted to walk the beach road. Like, just walk from hedonism and go all the way down into the town close to Burger King. Yeah, may I do it? May I do it? But I'm learning through KG, my cat, what it looks like after hurricane. Because he lives in the now, not tomorrow. Not yesterday, he lives in the present moment. So I'm taking a page from his book. He loves to take adventures, and that's the reason why I created a coloring book for him on Amazon called KG Adventures, because that's him. So I'm going to walk the beach road. I've been here for 7 years and never did it.
Instagram, Dr. Love Negril Jamaica.
Instagram.
From 1981. Dr. Love Negril Jamaica. Instagram, Dr. Love Negril. Dr. Love Negril. From 1981 on the beach in Negril. With the marker. A bedroom, 2 upstairs, 1 downstairs, 2 extra room inside. Use kitchen, use the Negril Beach River. Always book your ticket for the day. Negril Beach River. That's that. Book your ticket for the Jamaica Negril. The Negril Beach River. Book your ticket for Jamaica Negril. The Negril Beach River. It's so good, so good. Loving Jamaica. When the sun shines so hot, that's a fact. Book your ticket to Jamaica. Negril Beach Villa. Hashtag peace out.
Bless up, bless up, bless up. Yo, this is so cool.
can't believe I've never done this before. This is actually pretty cool. It's actually so fun and soothing, and I love the fact that most of the resorts actually have a lot of people here. They have a lot of guests, so which means the economy is slowly coming back. Tourism is slowly coming back after the hurricanes. Yeah.
I used to love this place. The food was good, drinks was good. It was a different vibe, especially the aesthetic. So it's kind of sad that they're closed down. Yeah. You know what's crazy? I've lived here for 7 years and I've never actually experienced or explored Negril like this. So this is kind of refreshing and fun. I think I'm going to do more of this. Yeah. And the walk is not bad. Tourism seem a little imminent. Majority of the places are filled. Lots of places. Well, I'm not sure what the future holds because if we continue to get storms like this and cold front like this, in a few years the beach will be gone. I just realized I wanted to stop and have a drink and get food, but I was just, the vibe was so good I kept me happy. But now I'm at the end, so I'm just gonna grab a patty. I literally made it. Alright, so we got to the end. We have to make a little U-turn so we can get on the main road. But this is the end. That's it, like, experience it at least once in a life. Experience it at least once. Just one time, just walk the beach road. The walk is less than 2 hours. And I have time things, so, yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Random the Mario back at YouTube. So that wasn't bad at all. Started the journey 1:34 p.m. Finish at 3:59 p.m. And I have tiny legs. So I'm back home now. I'm gonna jump in the shower and probably go lay down by the beach or may just sleep. But yeah.